Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. If you want to get a business credit card where you do not have to get a hard inquiry, you're in luck. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to give you 3 business credit cards that only require a soft pull on your credit and don't require any minimal credit scores. Most of them just go off of what your business banking looks like. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So today I want to introduce you guys to some business credit cards that only require a soft pull. So what this means for you is it is not going to affect your personal credit at all. You're not going to get a hard inquiry, so you don't have to worry about those reporting on your credit. You don't have to worry about potentially getting a credit score drop from getting a hard inquiry. All of this stuff is soft pull, so it does not affect your personal credit at all. And most of these are available for people who are new in business or already established. Whether you're the only employee or you have multiples, this will still work for you. And you don't necessarily have to be bringing in a certain amount of income. It's just based on transactional history, different things of that nature. So without further ado, I'm just going to give y'all the details on how it is. Now, in order for you to get these business credit cards, most of them will require you to have your business properly structured and laid out, which means you need to at least have a LLC, a partnership, or a corporation, some type of corporate filing showing that your business is currently filed with the Secretary of State. Now, if you have not already done that, no worries. I actually made a tutorial for you guys where I teach you how to set up your LLC, your EIN, and your DUNS number all on one YouTube video. I'll also recommend the best business bank accounts that I would recommend for you guys. So if you want more information about that, I will be sure to link the video up above so you can check that out if you need it as well. So if you started your business, the best thing for you to do is to get a business credit card. And I'm going to tell you why. You want to separate your personal and business transactions. You don't want to commingle things, especially if you're going to be filing tax returns on your business taxes once you get things up and running. You don't want to be taking money out of your business for your personal. And the best way for you to do that without having to be super meticulous is to just get a business credit card. Because any transactions you need to do, whether you need to purchase supplies, you need to pay for something online, you can just use your business credit card to make that payment. And then when your monthly bills come around, you just go ahead and pay on, or you pay off the full balance of your business credit card. That way you keep track of all your business spending. Everything will be listed out and you do not have to worry about it commingling from your personal. We want to separate things as soon as possible. So I want you to get the business credit card so you can make that a reality. The first card that I would recommend for you guys is going to be Capital on Tap. I have made a video about this account before and it is still one of my faves to this day because it is only a soft pull on your personal credit, which means you will not get a hard inquiry at all. And I've actually helped a few people get approved for this Capital on Tap business credit card. I've seen people get approved for $10,000, $8,000, $15,000. This particular one does go up to $50,000. So I'm going to be sure to add a few approvals I've gotten from people who have applied before on the screen so you guys can see it really is something you can get with a soft pull. Now, there is a $0 annual fee, so you don't have to pay any annual fees on this business credit card, and you receive 2% cash back for all your transactions. So whatever you're purchasing, you receive 2% cash back at the end of the month. Whatever that cash back amount is, you can use it towards your bill, or you can, transfer it elsewhere. There are also no ATM fees when you're using this card, even though, it's not a physical bank location you would go to. And as far as your credit card balance, they allow you 2 payment options on how you can pay it back. Either you can pay your full balance back in full each month, or at the minimum, you have to pay at least 10% of whatever your balance is on that card. So for example, if you have a balance of $1,000, 10% of that balance on a monthly basis, you would have to make at least $100 payment on that card. So it's really not bad at all based on, the money that you may need to spend to catapult your business to the next level, whatever that may be. This is specifically for people with a US-based business, and you must have been in business for at least 3 months in operations. And another great thing about this specific card is it reports on your business credit. So if you're looking to actually build your business credit with business credit cards you already have, this card reports on Experian's business credit side. So you're getting a business credit card so you can separate your finances from business and personal. You have a credit card you can use, and then it's also going to report on your business credit to assist you with building your business credit scores as well. And if you want more details on building out business credit, I will link my business credit video above on how you can structure and build out your business credit within 90 days or less. Card number 2 is going to be Divvy. Now, this one is a really great card for people who are gonna do a SoftPull. Maybe you've recently started your business, you have some decent transactions going on. Because the way that Divvy works is you're gonna have to log into your business bank account, and they're going to approve you for a set amount based on your transactions in your business, what your current balance is in your business bank account, all of that kind of great stuff. Now, for Divvy, it is a corporate Visa credit line. So it's considered to be like a charge card, which means you have to pay your balance off in full each month. And they do have options to where you can pay it off one time in full for the month. You can pay it off weekly or bi-weekly. Now, the good thing about this Divvy card is they also do offer rewards. So with Divvy, you actually get points for each transaction that you have, and depending on how soon you pay off your balance, you get additional points. So if you pay off your balance in a week, you'll get 7 times the points. If you pay it off bi-weekly, you'll get 5 times the points. And then if you just pay it off monthly, you'll get 2 times the points on all your transactions. And those points can later be used to make other purchases. Specifically with Divvy, all business types are eligible. You do not just have to have a LLC, corporation or partnership. You can actually be a sole proprietor as well. And just so you know what a sole proprietor is, that means you don't have any type of legal documentation filed with the Secretary of State. So these are going to be my people who just maybe have a DBA for their business. A sole proprietor is strictly under your Social Security number, not necessarily under a EIN and all that kind of great stuff. So if you do have a sole proprietor, you can actually apply for the Divvy business credit card, and you can still get it and get approved because they're just going to check your bank account transactions, see what things are looking like, and give you a limit from there. And you also have the option later for you to be able to, get a higher limit as time goes on, you're paying back, all that kind of great stuff. Now, with Divvy, they also report on your business credit as well, which is great. Divvy specifically reports to your Duns and Bradstreet business credit score. So if you get Capital on tap, you have an account that reports on your Experian. You get Divvy, now you have one that reports on Duns and Bradstreet. And these are your 2 main business credit bureaus that most companies are going to check for when you're looking to get approval. So if you want to just start out the gate with applying for these cards to build your business credit and then get the other approvals from there that require you to have a business credit score, I would say this would be a great option to do things because you're more so getting money up front from them instead of spending more money out to actually build out your business credit. So that would be a great hack that you could do as well. And then the third and final card is going to be Torpago. I'm sorry, y'all. It'd be hard for me to say the name for this one. Torpago. Torpago is going to be a corporate charge card where you get 1% cash back on this card as well. So whatever you're spending, you get 1% back at the end of the month. For them, they are going to approve you based on the money in your bank account and your spending habits as well. So that's going to be your actual balance that's in your bank account, how you're spending money, how you're having money coming into the bank account. It doesn't matter if it's direct deposit or if it's just, payments that you're receiving from platforms, clients, even cash deposits. All that counts for them to determine what your actual limit on this card is going to be. Now, because it is a charge card, this is going to be one as well where you have to pay off your balance in full each month. Anytime you have a charge card, you can use however much, your limit is, but you have to pay that off at the end of the month. So I just want you to be aware of that. With this one, you must have an LLC, partnership, corporation as well. So that is a requirement for you to get approved with them. Also, you need to have a business bank account because that's where they're going to have you log in and look at your transactional history to see what they approve you for. And with Torpago, they also report on your Duns and Bradstreet as well. So out the gate, I've given you guys 3 business credit cards that only require a SoftPull. 1 reports to Experian, 2 of them report to Duns and Bradstreet. So if you got all 3 of these cards, you will automatically get 3 business trade lines reported on your business credit. So if you decided later on that you want to apply for the Sam's Club business credit card, it requires you to have at least an 80 on your Experian and your Duns and Bradstreet. So if you get these cards, let them report, get your business credit scores up. You can then apply for the Sam's Club card, which also goes up to $20,000. And that's just another business credit card. And with that one, there's no personal guarantee required. That's just based off your business credit. So that's actually a bonus for you guys that I wanted to throw in, a little bonus tip that if you use these credit cards to build your business credit, you can later on apply for the Sam's Club card that only approves you based on your business credit. So I really just gave y'all 4 business credit cards that you can get to help take your business to the next level, get you the funds that you need. So I'll be sure to link all these in the description so you guys can sign up and have the links for everything. And then lastly, I did just want to say, if you need some type of business funding where there is no minimal credit scores required, it's just based off of the income your business has coming in. If you are at least bringing in $10,000 per month into your business, and you can show proof of that with 3 business bank statements, I actually have a company that is called Rok Financial who will finance you and give you a business loan. So if you are interested in doing that, just comment funding in the comment section and I will send you the link to apply so you can get more details, but it's also available. I'll put the link in the description as well. So as long as you are bringing in $10,000 per month, can show proof of that with 3 business bank statements, then you can get approved with them. And they do loans. They also do equipment loans. If you want to get an equipment loan, if you can just show proof with the invoice of the equipment that you want to purchase, and you have to have at least a minimal credit score of 600, you can get approved for an equipment loan. And they work with a lot of different business types on the equipment loan side. And I'll probably link the video to the equipment loan for y'all here as well, but they have a plethora of business loan opportunities. So comment funding if you want to go ahead and apply. It's literally a 1-page application where you just give your basic business details and information. You're going to be contacted by an advisor and they're going to let you know what you're getting approved for, if they need anything additional from you, and you can literally get funding from them within 3 to 5 business days. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you made it to the end of this video, please comment I made it in the comment section. Make sure y'all are liking and subscribing. I always forget to say that in the video, but if you made it to the end, please like the video, subscribe, send it to a friend that may be interested. I appreciate y'all supporting me so much. Love you guys. Till next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.